celebrations began weeks in advance with the formulation of the Ijtma committee, and key roles were assigned to ensure a smooth and well-organized event. Detailed planning and coordination were carried out covering all aspects of the Ijtma, including academic, sports, logistics, and food. To maximize attendance, a dedicated campaign was launched 3 weeks prior to the Ijtma. This included house visits, engaging promotional videos, and reminders being sent across local group chats. These efforts greatly contributed to the success of the event in terms of participation. The Ijtma commenced at 9 a.m. this morning with a warm breakfast offering both continental options and cereals. This was followed by the opening session, which began with the recitation of the Urdu. After the opening session, Itfal was split into their respective age groups and proceeded to their allocated activities. Shujat group participated in the academic competitions, which included Tilawat, Nazam,